Hello there, in this video today we're going to attempt to take off this buckle here, this little clasp on this Casio F-91W. This is brand new and it's never been done before. So if it's hard, you're going to see how hard it is. Now I've already tried to use this here and it's not a spring bar. So normally on these you would just push in here, it's on a little spring bar, and then you can push it in and take it out. That's not the case. This looks completely solid, so something like this is not going to work. Now you might be able to use an immense amount of force and push it through here, but when I try to do this, I know I'm against the table here, but I've got my fingers here, it doesn't appear to be wanting to push through. So I think we have to take the plastic off the metal itself. So you might be able to use some pliers like this, and you might be able to spread them out like so, and that might well work. But remember, this is plastic, so it might be easy to break. But realistically, you're doing this probably because either this thing here has broken, or maybe this has a slight break and it's about to break. So if it's broken already, who cares if you snap it when you take it off, as long as you don't snap the new one. But I'm going to try to do in this video, I'm going to try to use this tool here, and I'm going to try to actually wedge it off. So let's go onto this one here, make sure it's fully on there. So now we're going to go in here, just going to go down on the table. I'm going to use it this way around, I think, so I can lever it. And I'm just going to start levering to see if, I think it's already coming, it looks like it's getting wider. And now I'm going to turn it upside down, and I'm going to do the same thing again on the same side. There. Ooh, okay, wasn't easy, but look, it did come off. And now I should be able to take that all the way out. It's still hard to come out. Let's use this little tool here. There we go. There, excellent. So if your one has broken here, it looks like that might be the easiest way to take it out. If you've got something like that that you can get in and lever it out, because to begin with you're against a strap, but once it starts to lift off, you can see you're against that bit there. And if you have a look, that's what it is. It's not a spring. That's fully molded round on the metal there. And it looks like the plastic just clips onto it, because if you look closely, or if you hear on my nail, listen, you can see that there's a little lip, so it goes down and then there's a little lip there again. So it's that lip that goes through there. So if you were to take this off numerous times, I think what would happen is, I think it would fail. I think the plastic itself would fail. You can see that that side's still fully stuck on. Right, let's put this back in. So it is possible to do, but it's not easy. So that's the correct way around there. And put that on here and it should clip into place. There we go. Well, that is on, and I think if you were just to do it once or twice, you'd probably get away with it. So it looks like this one is the winner, but it would be nice to see if long nose pliers work, because lots of people have these and not everybody has these. We will put a link to this one down in the description below if you do want to get it, because it's useful to have. So let's try these here. Fatter pliers like this are not going to be able to fit in here. We need it to go through here. So I'm going to use these. I might well break it, but let's see if, now that it's been apart once, it will work. So you've got to go in the middle and then widen them up. Here we go. Oh, feels like it's going to break. I wonder if I could use my nail there as well. There we go. That wasn't too bad. So when you do this, you can see the plastic's bending. But if you use your nail there, or if you were to use something else, back to this again, but maybe if you were to use just even a flathead screwdriver instead of your nail, if you're worried about breaking your nail, then that's another way of doing it. Well, there we go. It came off the same side again, so that's why it was easier than the first time round. And clip it back into place. There we go. So even after 2 goes, it doesn't feel like it's going to come apart. So there we have it, 2 different ways of removing the buckle clasp on the Casio F-91W. If you've got another way of doing it, put it down in the comment section below, because you'll help other people out watching this video. Thanks for watching.